everyone, Sean here, and today I want to talk about stapling or fixing leaves. Well, the easiest way, I just gave it away, is to staple the leaf if you want to fix the leaf in a certain shape. There's no problem doing that as long as you can hide the staple. I'll just quickly show you. For example, I want to make this in a cone shape, and you can just get your normal stapler and try to find somewhere that is not going to be seen. So I pick two spots here and here, because I know after I've inserted the flowers it's going to be stay hidden. But say I do want one higher up to make it more secure, then what I can do is get a marker. This green marker is an oil-based permanent marker, and try to color it green. It might not be the best, but it will help a lot. Again, if it is on the other side, of course, if I staple it the other way, it'd be so much better. If I colored green, I mean, you can still see it, but at least it'll be less shiny than a silver one, and it'll be a lot more less noticeable. And these markers, I didn't get expensive one. This one is only $2.80 from my favorite $2.80 shop. For a packet of 5. They come in different colors, but I'm just using a green one at the moment. As you can see, that's not too bad. That's not a very good one, but at least from the inside, after being colored green, it's almost stay hidden. And on that note, someone said, oh, it'd be so much easier if I can get green staples. And you can get green staples. They come in a packet of 1,000, 3,000. Well, 1,000 in each box, and you have 3 boxes because you have blue, pink, and green, and it's only again $2.80. These are the green ones. It's not bad. It's not exactly the same green as your leaf, but at least it'll be better than a silver one. So here you go. If you want to staple your leaf, first try to find a spot that your staples will be hidden after you have stapled it. And if it's kind of showing, you can try to use a marker to try to color it in, so at least it's not that obvious. Or if you're in a hurry and you want to do it quickly, you can always get green staples. But of course, the best way is if you can find other fixing method that you do not need any of these, and that will be the best. Happy Ikebanaing. See you next time.